was going to college all those years ago, my late father said he was a small businessman. He'd saved enough money for me to go to college, and he paid for tuition, room, and board. But if I wanted to buy a book or buy a Coke, I was going to have to pay for that myself. So that was our arrangement, and it worked fine. And then I decided I wanted to go to law school. So I told my father, and he said, well, that's not part of the deal. So, you know, I got a scholarship, and I worked again, and I borrowed money from the federal government at about 2% interest. And I didn't have to worry about some for-profit student loan company ripping me off, or changing the interest rate, or conniving with the financial aid office, or the Department of Education to take advantage of me. Now, in the Democratic Congress, we are trying to change that now. We're making some progress. We're cutting the interest rates. You know, when Bill was president, we had a system where there was a choice. You could have a direct loan from the government, or you could go into the private sector, but you always had this backup. Well, as soon as the Republicans got in, you know, they once again just sided with the banks and the for-profit student loan companies, and then they began to tell the student loan companies, we want you. This is what I love about the Republicans' attitude toward the free market. The free market is free except for their cronies, where they try to give them an advantage. So they say to the student loan companies, you know, here's your deal. Lend money to these students at whatever interest rate you can get away with, and then we will guarantee you that if it's a bad loan, we'll not only pay you back 100%, but we'll give you a little more for your trouble. So, I mean, where's the free market in that? And as a result, a lot of people have been very disadvantaged. So we're going to fix that.